Kia ora Te Anau School, it's Whare, the 20th of August. Ko Harriet, she is Harriet.
And Mōrena, welcome back. Ko Caria, she is Caria. Welcome to the morning report for Thursday.
Let's get into Te kupu or Te wiki. This word is hau-hunga, which is Te Anau for frosty.
That's hau-hunga, meaning frosty, which is definitely not this morning.
Okay, lunchtime activities. After eating from 12:30, there's inside games in Te Whare ki ota, the new hall, for all years 1 to 4.
And there's capture the flag on the Kindy field for years 3 to 6. Let's go.
And if you can't remember what's happening, check out the activities whiteboard outside the office at lunchtime.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing. Wearing their Hi Viz vest to and from school. Please do likewise.
Ka pai, health and safety news. A reminder about washing or sanitizing your hands before eating. Stay safe, everyone.
Okay, bus news. If today you have sport, tennis, dance, art, or music after school, mark yourself off the bus.
Most students are doing the right thing and remembering to mark themselves off when they get to school. And if you've already done it, ka pai.
Okay, yesterday we had most students using the bike racks. Please remember to park yourselves in the bike racks.
Okay, duty teacher info. For all you busy birds out there, today's duty teachers at morning tea are Mr. Hunter and Mrs. Spargo.
While at lunchtime there's Mrs. Taylor, Mrs. Hardy, Mrs. Russell, Mrs. McGlade, Mrs. Hanson and Mr. Chapman.
Remember, anything you need help out there?
Go see a duty teacher. They're here to help.
Senior bike coverloo. Bike news. Mason, Carrie, Eli and Chris. No permission slips, no biking.
Ooh.
Lunchtime garden club news. Michelle and Lynn want to know what you'd like to grow and eat or maybe sell this summer.
Please meet in the garden at lunchtime to plan and get ready for your favourites. Corn, cucumbers, carrots, strawberries, who knows?
Okay, tomorrow is Ramu, and that means sausage sizzle day. So remember your cash and go to the before the bell.
Okay, if you missed any info, check out the notes in the description box below. I'm out. Hi,
See you tomorrow. Piki yaka ki ki tamata.
To say this.